Hello guys, this is Milt, and today we are gonna replace my battery on my key fob on my 2017 Nissan NV200. And if you need to know the number of the battery, this is the number of the battery. It's 1620. It's a CR 1620. So right there, it will say CR. Make sure it says CR. And right there. So we're gonna check out how it looks like inside and open up the key fob, and all you have to do is make sure you unscrew that screw. So yeah, alright guys, so I removed the screw. As you can see, that's the screw. It's a little white, it's a little, I don't know, but yeah, make sure when you remove it you use the little gap. There's like a little gap on the key right there. I'm just gonna put it back like there, this gap right here. So there's the battery. So yeah, so all you have to do is remove that. We're gonna show you the battery. I'm holding this with one hand, so it's kind of hard. Alright, so there we go. So it's the same size, as you can see. There it is. But this one is the original. This is like 4 years old battery. Look at that. Sony 1620. I got the same one, but I got this one. I got Energizer. So we're gonna put that in here. And yeah, so the way you install this, you just like put the back, which is the number and all the information of the battery will show. You put it facing downward like that, so it will be facing that way, and make sure it's locked right there. And if you want, you can clean your key fob, and you know, yeah. And by the way, I got this battery, guys. If you buy this on Amazon, it's cheaper, but I bought this on Walgreens, and it's about $5.99 each. And it's hard to find this battery somehow. I don't know why, but yeah, they're $5.99 each. So both of these batteries, I'm putting them to both of my keys, on both of my keys, and yeah. So yeah, let's put it back. So yeah, those batteries are not cheap, but they last forever, which is great. So make sure it clicks, boom, remember that, yeah. And then you put back the screw, and all I have to do is screw that screw, and I'm done. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. This is Mil, and thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this helped. Stay awesome. Bye.